Okay, lesson number 3 of your Rube Goldberg project. Now, depending on how much you enjoy this, you know, this is supposed to take you an hour, this final thing. However, it may well take you longer. Now, what I've put on these final 2 slides is some success criteria. Okay, that's all. That's the main part that I'm going to talk about this lesson. So when we come to marking it, this is what we're going to be looking at. Sorry, got a bad back. Working at grades 1 to 2, your machine lasts for 3 seconds and you've used 1 simple machine. Okay. Working at grades 3 to 4, your machine lasts for 5 seconds and you've included 2 simple machines. Working at grades 5 to 6, your machine lasts over 10 seconds and includes 3 or more simple machines. And then grade 7 and above, your machine lasts for over 10 seconds and includes 3 or more simple machines, and your plan is well developed and you consider all the different elements on that sheet that I went through and spoke to you about for lesson number 2. So that's how we're going to be marking it. So bear that in mind, okay? The last thing I want to talk to you about is a sort of, and I didn't do this before and I thought this would be helpful. Make sure that you've got these things before you submit your work on OneDrive. So a photograph of that simple machines worksheet from lesson 1, your 4 initial, your 4 initial ideas, mind maps, your big final design that's got all the colour on it, and all of those different things that I asked you to consider. And then preferably, so we can see how it works, and this might take a little bit of time to upload, but it's going to be so worth it for us to be able to watch them. I'm really excited to see what you come up with. And I genuinely think this is a really fun project. I've been talking too long without having a drink of water. I've done all of these videos in a row, you see. So we need you to include, ideally, a video of your final Rube Goldberg. But if that's not possible, some photos of it. Okay? So make sure that you've got those 4 things uploaded on OneDrive on the due date. Okay? And that's it. So basically, just have fun. If you've got enough time, look up other versions of them on the internet. When we last did them at school, we had so many different ideas. Some people thought about subjects that they really liked at school. So some people were trying to think of a machine that would paint for them or draw for them or, dry their hair. There was one that wanted to do a machine to whisk something. Some were they had candles and they would use a series of things to knock over a cup of water to put that out. There was some of them were to do with sport. There's so many different things you can do. So I really, really, really hope you have fun with it, because I think this is something that you can do probably actually better at home than you could do at school. So have fun. Any questions, just email me if I'm your teacher. If I'm not your teacher, email Mr. Middleton or Miss Code or Miss Masterman, depending on who you've got. Hopefully, I'm really hoping that this is all a lot simpler, and I'm trying, as I said before, it's a learning curve for us as well. So if you or your parents have got any criticism, constructive criticism of how I could make things more accessible for you guys with the next project, then just let me know. But other than that, that had to happen. That had to happen, didn't it? I saved it. Other than that, have fun. Stay safe. Hope you're all okay. And I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Bye.